Welcome friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. And today it's going to be short but very important video, and this video is on three big mistakes of project managers. So what are the top three mistakes project manager do into their practice or during their project implementation is very important video, and if you are able to take care of these mistakes, I think you will be able to advance further in your journey of project management, and that's the mission I am on. So let us look at the mistake number one: taking care of tasks and events instead of leading the team. So project managers get involved into so much micromanagement, so they start actually doing the task and the activities rather than getting the same thing done from the team members by leading the team. So job of the project manager is also a project leader. He must be able to navigate his teams, get the best out of them, and try to lead them towards the success of project. The goal of the project is to have successful delivery. Instead of micromanagement, he must be able to lead the team effectively, and that can solve a lot of problems. So this is the first mistake. Second mistake is being reactive and focusing on urgent instead of the important ones. So in our life also, we generally focus more on urgent things than important things. So what happens? The important things gets left out. So this is the same mistake project manager do. They are more reactive, doing firefighting, doing things which are very urgent, and missing the most important ones. The third mistake is thinking we have to know all answers. Project managers is not one who will know all the answers. He has the team, he has the resources from where he can get those answers. So instead of thinking that he is the king, he should forget about that. He should be jack of all, not knowing everything, but he is aware of everything. So there's a subtle difference here. So he has the teams, the subject matter experts, the experts who will be working for him. He doesn't have to know all the answers. So this is the third mistake, thinking we have to know all answers. That's the mistakes project manager do. So these are important mistakes, and I hope you got value. Short but very impactful video. Please follow me on YouTube, LinkedIn, Facebook, and subscribe my channel and spread it to many. Thank you very much.